Nature's Bounty Fast-Acting Melatonin Sleep Aid Spray, Mild Mint, 100 Oral Sprays. Product details. Nature's Bounty Fast-Acting Sleep Spray is an oral melatonin spray designed to help you fall asleep or get back to sleep after a middle-of-the-night wake-up. Each mild mint-flavored spray contains 0.5 milligrams of melatonin, a hormone naturally produced in the body that's involved in your natural sleep cycle. The normal release of melatonin is vital for the maintenance of circadian rhythm and your sleep-wake cycle, so taking melatonin supplements can support occasional sleeplessness by reducing the time it takes to fall asleep while helping you to stay asleep longer. Nature's Bounty Fast-Acting Sleep Spray contains a unique form of melatonin that absorbs more quickly, and is a 100% drug-free sleep supplement, so it's safe to use for occasional sleeplessness. Each dose is completely customizable to suit your unique sleep needs, and requires no refrigeration or water while taking, so you can keep a bottle on your nightstand and just spray into your mouth and swallow completely. Keep Nature's Bounty Fast-Acting Sleep Spray at your bedside and wake up feeling ready to take on the day. Nature's Bounty Fast-Acting Melatonin Sleep Aid Spray, Mild Mint, 100 Oral Sprays. Contains 0.5 milligrams of melatonin per spray. Can be taken at bedtime or for middle-of-the-night wake-ups. Vegetarian-friendly, free of artificial flavors, colors, and sweeteners. These statements have not been evaluated by the Food and Drug Administration. These products are not intended to diagnose, treat, cure, or prevent any disease. Dosage: 0.5 milligrams. Instructions: spray directly into mouth and swallow completely. No water necessary.